Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anca and I do art and illustration related videos. So if you're into that, make sure you subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. So welcome to another studio vlog. Today is Saturday and I have a bunch of stuff I want to do. I know it's been a while since I've talked to you guys, but this heat wave that we're having here is really getting to me and I find it hard to sit down and work. But today I wanted to get cracking with Patreon stuff. I have to do the desktop wallpaper for August. I know it's a bit early, but I will have a vacation at the end of the month. We are going to a cabin in the woods with a pool and I'm really excited about it. So I want to get everything done before I leave. So I did start working on the wallpaper. I will show you guys a small preview, but basically I wanted to do some flowers. The theme for this month is Mother's Garden. I took some pictures in my mother's garden of some really beautiful flowers and I used them as a reference. So I'm working on that. I'm not really happy with the direction it's going, but hopefully I can save it. I also wanted to show you guys that I made new keychains for my patrons. It's this small little fox from my other sketchbook spread, which I did in the video with the Stillman and Birn sketchbook review. I think they are so cute. They are acrylic keychains and they will be going to my patrons. I also need to prepare some prints for them. So that will be this month's Patreon reward. And yeah, I need to start packing them up and getting everything ready until the end of the month. So I clear my schedule. But I wanted to show you guys before getting into the studio vlog part. I have been a patron of Seren Madison, who is an illustrator based in the UK. And she's such a talented person and I have been a patron of hers for several months now. And for some reason, the Patreon rewards got lost in the mail or something, and she was kind enough to send them again to me. So I have her package right here. I will open it on camera for you guys. I haven't opened it yet. And I will show you guys everything that you can get from being a patron of hers. So that is pretty much it. I have my iced coffee. I have my fan going here. And yeah, I need to stay productive today, even though it's like 35 degrees outside. And yeah, it's hard to be productive in this heat wave. But I wanted to come on camera and say hi to you guys and thank you for your support still. A special shout out to my patrons who are so kind and are supporting me after so many years. So thank you guys for being here. I hope you guys like the rewards I send you and the content I put there. And yeah, so I'm just gonna open this on camera and after that I'll let you watch the rest of the video, which is pretty much me painting and packing up Patreon rewards. So I'll see you in the next one and keep watching to see the rest of the video. Bye. Okay, so I opened up the package I got from Seren. Look how pretty she packaged everything. It says, "Hi Anca, sorry this is a bit late and the birdies went missing. I hope that you like everything. Lots of love, Seren." Really, honestly, Seren, don't worry about it. I know the post office can be a bit tricky to work with, so it's especially now with Brexit. So let's open this up. I really love the packaging. Her favorite color is pink, as you can tell, and I'm really excited to see what's in here. Really beautiful tissue paper, and I love the attention to detail. So we have here, I'm guessing, 3 of the Patreon rewards. Yep. So I'm not sure in what order they are, but I will open this one first because it looks the most interesting. So the first one is this little chicken postcard. Oh, summer chickens. A little chicken die-cut sticker. Small sticker sheet. We have some mushroom postcards and some mushroom book thingies. Oh my god, they're so pretty. And the print quality is really beautiful. and some mushroom postcards, this little toads sticker sheet, really beautiful, and the mushroom postcards, let's see. Oh wow, so beautiful. Thank you, Seren, for resending this. I was really excited to get these, and honestly they did not disappoint at all. So this is one, a little Patreon reward. Really excited to use these everywhere. All right, so let's open the next one. So here we have a fish postcard. I love the color theme she uses. And we have this little book sign thing. And also another sticker sheet. Oh my god, I love this so much because they are so small. And then we have the little birdies one. So we have another die cut sticker. Two sticker sheets, so pink birdies and also British birds, and this beautiful postcard. Wow, Seren, thank you so much for everything, and I'm really happy things arrived here. And yeah, if you are interested, I will leave her Patreon page below and her YouTube channel. I definitely recommend you check her out. She does really beautiful illustrations, as you can see. So it's definitely worth having a look. So thank you, Seren, and check out her socials. So now let's get to the painting part.